start this out? Are we doing this right? What's going on, guys? Incredible Funk here again. Back for another video, but unfortunately we're not doing a tech video. This time we're actually doing something about apparel. Shoes to be specific. So today we're gonna unbox the Emerica Romero Laced shoes. I got mine in brown. Of course there are like 15 different colors, you know, from navy blue to black to gray to red. You know, there's just a bunch of different combinations, but the one I chose were the brown ones. I'm very excited to unbox these and see what they look like because I have been skating in my old Emerica HSU shoes for honestly quite some time. They're starting to get worn out. The shoelaces are just kind of bad, and overall I needed new shoes, and Emerica has been the brand of shoes that I've always just kind of gone with. Let's go ahead and open up this box and pretty much see what's inside. Holy crap, they like really sealed this. Oh, okay, well, that was easy. Oh look, there's even a return by mail. It's showing me basically my receipt. All right then. Well, I don't need to return these. I highly doubt I'm gonna return these, but you know. But let's go ahead and get this out of here. Ooh. Oh, look at that. This box is pretty nice. I mean, it's a standard shoe box. There's really not much on it. Open the flap and you see your shoes. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the flap and see the new shoes. Use that paper like that. Oh wow, these are nice. Ooh, yep, yep. No, I like these. I do like these. Now, you know, let's just get both of these shoes out of here and toss that box. I don't need these. So like I said before, the color I did get was gonna be brown, and also has black because of the shoelaces, and then gum colored is for the bottom of the shoes. The texture of the shoe is gonna be suede, and it's not bad. This is actually really nice. It's so much better than my HSC. Like, look at the comparison to these two. Like, this is just so much nicer. It's just nice. The bottom of the shoes are gonna be triangle treads, so basically that means you're gonna get more grip and more durability when you're trying to skate, or honestly, or even walking at that. The rest of the shoe, the tongue itself is gonna have that stabilizing wing to it. So basically what that means is it's gonna be able to wrap around your foot to give you more comfort and basically not feel as loose as it would if you're wearing any other shoe. Because I can't wait any longer, I'm gonna go ahead and put these shoes on and take off my HSUs and put them in the new box. So let's do that. Now I know you guys can't see this, but the shoes actually feel really comfortable. They feel just as good as my HSUs, and those are probably the most comfortable shoes I've ever been in before. Putting these on, there isn't as much cushion, but honestly, I'm gonna end up getting used to wearing these shoes, you know, repeatedly and skating with them over and over again, that it's just not even gonna bother me. Don't take this the wrong way, like they're still really comfortable. It's just, you know, you gotta break in shoes. That's gonna be the end of the video for you guys. Unfortunately, it is raining out, so I'm not able to go outside and skate with these shoes and try them out and let you guys know how they really feel while you are outside skating. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. These things are so comfortable, like you don't even know. You know, I completely forgot that you have to like lace up these shoes and they don't come pre-laced. Man, I don't mind it. I'm gonna do it anyway, but still.